Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see what is a function in Python. A function is a group of statements that performs a specific task. Functions helps us to break our program into smaller and modular chunks. Let's see with some examples. First of all, the syntax of a function is always starts with a def keyword followed by the name of the function. In the given example, I have created one function called as function family name, and then a specific command that I would like this function to perform is to print a statement called as hello from a function. In order to see in the output the actions that the function will perform, we have to call the function first. So at line number 7, you will see I am calling a function just by writing the name of the function followed with the parenthesis. Next to this, I am writing down another print statement to see the difference between the first print statement that will get executed from the function and the second one. In the output, you will see that the first print statement that has got executed is hello from a function, which means that as soon as the call to the function was made, the immediate instruction that was given inside the function got executed the first, and then the second print statement got executed, that is hello from outside of the function. So this is the way you can define your function and make a call to the same. Let's see another example where we will perform some string operations. I'm going to remove the comment line, and you will see that I'm using the same function as previous. But here in this function, I'm passing one argument called as first name. The operation that we will perform within the print statement is that we will receive the argument that will be passed to the function, and we will concatenate with the next string, that is flower. In this example, the idea is that we will concatenate the family name, that is flower, to the first name of the three sisters. One is Lily, Rose, and Lotus. Let's give a call to the function in line number 16. First name is passed. As soon as the call to the function is made, the print will get executed. That means we will see that the first name Lily will get concatenated with the family name flower. Let's execute the program. And in the output, you will see that the print statement is been executed thrice because we have called the function 3 times, and the output is lily flower, a rose flower, and lotus flower. In this way, I am not writing down the three print statements, whereas I am just passing the three arguments, and using only one print statement, we are able to have three operations performed. So the takeaway about the functions is that if in future your program grows larger and larger, you can make use of functions which will make your program more organized and manageable. Furthermore, it will also help you to avoid repetitions and make the code reusable. That's all for the functions today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, hit the like button and do subscribe to stay tuned for new videos. Thank you.